Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Man Centre Liverpool. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved use, a Volkswagen California Ocean T7 that does come complemented in the contrasting candy white and starlight blue paintwork. Housing your powerful diesel engine and efficient automatic transmission, delivering 150 PS, it is an ideal camping upgrade with a pop-top roof and other top features to help you out on the open road, including your stylish headlights for enhanced visibility, power folding wing mirrors, and even a rear view camera. And moving into the boot area, there is plenty of storage space below the fold-out bed area, alongside a handy storage cupboard just to your left for travel essentials. And the convenience doesn't stop there. The rear can easily be accessed with electric twin sliding doors, exposing two comfortable seats which can be folded away for the use of the bed. And of course you do have the kitchen unit with plenty of storage areas for utensils and food with several power outlets. You do also have your gas hob and sink on the top for those camping trips, followed in the front by your multifunctional steering wheel and central touch display for further convenience whilst driving. You do have maximum comfort with a suede and contrasting finish with your California badging, followed just above by access to your pop-top roof area with a comfortable mattress and of course your side windows for added light exposure. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including a heated function to keep you toasty warm in the winter, and of course access to your digital cockpit display with all of your vital driving data and the added safety of your cruise control and speed limiter features. Moving across, you do have access to your navigation system for those unfamiliar areas, with of course your app connect and radio stations to keep you well entertained. For a personalised driving experience, you do also have an array of different driving modes, including your eco for further efficiency. And for a personalised touch, you do also have your ambient lighting with your individual colour choices and overall mood settings. Of course, you do have your on-screen climate control options with the smart climate for maximum comfort, settings for the rear, and even your two front heated seats, again for those colder winter months. For added safety, you do also have your driving assistance features with of course the activation of your sensors and camera with your park assist to get into those awkward manoeuvres. This is followed below by a wireless charging pocket, power outlets, and pull-out cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.